Crypto.com is growing super fast, and millions of investors are coming into the ecosystem. Today, we're going to talk about how Crypto.com is absolutely becoming one of the top centralized exchanges in volume, and how this will lead to more and more people really buying the CRO coin. And we know Kronos has been in the crypto space for a while now, since about 2019 when they converted over. And we're starting to see a lot of people really acknowledge Crypto.com. We see airdrops coming for the holders. We're seeing these tier rewards that are pretty much rewarding people for holding CRO and actually trading on the Crypto.com app. And that's going to be huge when we come to this upcoming bull market. Now, the bull market is not here yet. We've seen prices start to appreciate from the lows, but we have so much more room to grow. And Crypto.com is really setting itself up to be their #1 centralized exchange in this upcoming bull market. So we're going to get into that and all of that good stuff. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on those notifications for all Crypto.com, CRO, and Kronos updates. Because now, like I continue to say, it's one of the best times to get in the crypto space. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a crypto investor. I'm saying that because all of the things that is coming down the pipeline that are super bullish for the crypto space. We know how the crypto markets work in terms of, bear markets and bull markets. And they usually, go around 3 to 4 years. And we're on this upcoming 3rd or 4th year, just depending on what projects you were looking at or investing in a past cycle. But we're coming up on that 4th year. And now is really one of the best times to really accumulate, especially CRO, because CRO is one of the lagging projects. Last time it took off super late, but it did take off. And I do believe it will happen the same way this go around once everybody see, like, I can buy a lot of different crypto projects on the Crypto.com app. So we're gonna first start off talking about price and where CRO is at today. So man, we can see CRO is currently at 8 cents, almost at that 9 cent mark. In the past 24 hours in this day, we are in the green. Less than 1% though, so not too much, but we love those green days. I gotta say that for sure. Now the market cap is at $2.2 billion, and that's ranked 44. And I continuously say I do believe Crypto.com can creep back up into that top 25 spot just because of everything that they're doing. And I love to mention how CRO is going to be a top centralized exchange in this upcoming bull market. Like, we starting to see the numbers go up as far as volume on Crypto.com, and everything that they're currently doing right now is pretty much rewarding the CRO holders. Like I said in my last video, Crypto.com is doing the airdrop for Starknet, so check out my last video to see how to qualify for their airdrop. But a lot of good things coming down the pipeline for CRO and the Kronos blockchain. Now the volume is at 11 million, down 12% on the day, and that's coming in at 330. So volume isn't being pumped like we wanted to, but it's still being pumped. Now if we zoom out the past 7 days or the past week, we are down 2%. And if we zoom out a month, we are actually up 8%, guys. So we love to see that. We are actually, if we buying bottoms, we will be, dollar cost averaging the right way. And just depending on how frequently you buy it, whether that's a day, whether that's a week, or whether that's a month, that's what kind of chart you want to look at. If you're buying monthly, I want to see if I'm up or if Crypto.com or CRO is up during that month, so I can know, okay, hey, I might just sit my liquidity on the sidelines and just wait sometimes. I mean, it doesn't always, happen in our favor. Sometimes, you can sit too long and it absolutely takes off. But sometimes if it's appreciating too fast, it's got to experience some type of dip. Now, the market cap is at $1.94 trillion, and that's down less than 1%. Volume is also down in the entire crypto space, 3%, and that's coming in at 83 billion, and the fear and greed index is 75 out of 100. So people are still greedy in the crypto space, man. And I'm loving everything that's going on in the crypto space. The Bitcoin halving is going to happen in April, and that's going to absolutely make prices skyrocket. A lot of people don't understand the significance of the Bitcoin halving, because usually around the Bitcoin halving, we start to see Bitcoin take off, and then after Bitcoin takes off, that liquidity comes into the altcoins. But not only that, that's one bullish narrative for previous cycles, but the main bullish narrative, I believe, is the Bitcoin ETF. And we know the Bitcoin ETF money is flowing in. It's more inflows than ever. They continue to rise. So more people are seeing crypto, more specifically Bitcoin, as a sound investment. But I do believe that will lead to more people, doing their research and say, hey, it's other cryptocurrencies out there that will appreciate faster than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sound money, and it's a great place to store your crypto, or a great place to store your money to, beat inflation and things like that. But if, I can rotate into some of these other cryptocurrencies, get bigger gains, and then rotate back into Bitcoin, that's going to be a strategy I believe, a lot of big money investors will start doing. Now, let's get into some of the good stuff, man. Update on crypto.com, centralized exchange spot volume. So the volume is, being kind of steady right now. We can see since mid-February, averaging 1 billion in spot per day. With 1 week to go, crypto.com sits at 23.84 in spot volume in the month of February. It should be able to comfortably reach over 30 billion for the month, which is a great result compared to the 2.5 billion volume in July of 2023. So more money is being circulated on the crypto.com app. The volume is up, guys. That's something major. That's showing that interest in crypto is creeping back up, but we have yet to reach the peak. That's the beautiful thing about it. We starting to see slowly a lot of people dollar cost averaging, a lot of people, getting back into the crypto space. But when we reach that peak, we'll know something is absolutely about to take off and happen in the crypto space. So it's still very solid in comparison to this competitor, which helped crypto.com move up the top 10 centralized ranking to spot number 7, beating both BitThumb and Gate.io, which ahead of crypto.com in terms of spot volume last month. So crypto.com is creeping back up in the top 10 centralized exchanges. Number 7, and you can't beat that, man. I love to see that. I do believe crypto.com will be, top 5 easily in this upcoming bull market, especially when it comes to US exchanges, because crypto.com offers such a variety of different crypto projects that you will be able to invest in. And that's why I love the platform. I know that a lot of people like to talk about, blockchain technology and things like that. And that is the ethos of the crypto space, self-custody and whatnot. But we got to understand the normal everyday person does not know how to get on the blockchain. It takes a lot of research, not too much research, but it takes, going in depth to actually find things out like that. And the everyday person is not trying to do that. They want to get on a platform, buy their cryptos. They might not even have a decentralized wallet to even put the cryptocurrencies into. So they just want to buy it on a platform, keep their money on the platform, and sell it when it appreciates. And crypto.com allows them to do so, especially offering so much of a variety of different projects. Now, something else, man, like I said, crypto.com continues to reward the users. Now you can try out Crypto Earn, so you can earn bonus rewards on 3 popular tokens until March 5th. So you can 9% on SU, 11% on XTZ or Tezos, and 14% on Mina. So they're offering all of these different things on the crypto.com app, and there's not a lot of apps out there, or a lot of crypto apps out there that offers these type of gains or these type of APYs and things like that. So something else that was bullish, Sheeb is now available to trade in up-down options. Now, if you're not familiar with the up-down options, it's pretty much like option trading, just trading the price. You bet on if Sheeb gonna go up or down, and they have released that, and they continue to release even more. So now we got Stellar also available for strike options. So these are things that, people want to do in the crypto space. We want to be able to go on a platform where it's not, too difficult to either, guess if the price is going up or down, and crypto.com allows that in the app. So that's going to be very super major in the upcoming bull market. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm super excited for this upcoming bull market. We just getting started in the crypto space. We are just now seeing, you know, everything play out, and we so far away from the peak, man. I don't believe we have even reached middle of the bull market. I think we like at least 15 to 20% maybe, but we have yet to see what's in store for this upcoming crypto bull market, and we're super excited for it. So Crypto Tro, that's my video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, check out my crypto.com playlist as well. Shout out to everybody who's leaving comments. I really appreciate you. I try to respond to each and every single comment I get, because y'all are what keep the channel rolling. So really appreciate that. Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.